Hi, my name is Shaokun, and the branding project I created is called Paper Cutting. The branding slogan is "Grow a Dream." I have always been interested in the cut of the paper cutting animation studio, which is located in China and combines traditional paper cutting art with the animation technology to create a high stylized from the animation. By combining the concepts of paper cutting and animation, the studio has created a breakthrough in traditional form of expression. Therefore, we excited the concept of innovation and the traditional from our branding philosophy. We aim to perfect and develop traditional art through new design technology. However, how can a traditional symbol be transformed into a new branding? I conduct a series of background research, study, competed, analyze, and investigate the animation industry markets. In my research, I find the 16% of the audience would learn about an animation studio through the media. Then, in starting the branding itself, the paper cutting animation studio includes the traditional calligraphy technique and the paper cutting skills. Therefore, I would study these two parts and come up with this result. First, I use the format of China calligraphy to structure the traditional English writing format. You can see what I extracted the characteristic of traditional China calligraphy, such as the interval and the current nature of the characters. It is not like traditional English letter, which are parallel and written horizontally. So, this was a huge challenge, and after many attempts, I hope to combine these features with English later. Finally, after restart, I create a novel English writing reel that not only combines traditional China castle writing method, but also innovate in new vertical writing format. Next, in the study of proportions, I wanted to innovate based on standard size. Through research, I discovered traditional China measuring unit, count the feng shui rule, which is a very interesting scale unit. For example, 4 is an unlike number, but if you add 1, it becomes a very lucky number. Yeah, it's very interesting. So if this is a Chinese unit of measurement, why not apply it in daily life? This also reflects the concept of combined traditional and modernity in the branding. Therefore, I summarized a more interesting size chart and applied it in back protection. This is the size of my frontal design from 1 of 5. Yeah. And next, I select the most important tool in paper cut art, sensors. Sensors are the most important tools in paper cutting art. Through a sensory of transformation, I obtained a simple and beautiful graphic. The design also gave me a magical constance. As you can see from this image, there is a concept of symmetry in the paper cut plan, and the logo design create axis feature. In this logo design, I combined paper cutting art with model English to create a symbol with the necessary aesthetic appeal. The branding as a whole has sophisticated, minimalist, and artist aesthetic quality. After research, I obtained a sense of combination and formos, among which I selected these two combinations as the main and second design of the brand logo. I selected the primary color of the branding. I choose 3 colors: black, white, and orange. Black represents stability and the traditional aspect of art. Orange represents the innovative and vibrant branding in philosophy. With us, the branding slogan "Grow a Dream." Animation is always a soft part of paper art. It displays the branding philosophy to customers. The essence of the paper cutting art studio never forgets the original intention, period, and get their shape. The part design symbolized a sense of towards need to paper cutting art, and the visual element frequent appear. In paper cut art, I then combine this create a set of icon design. In precise design, I create a set of procedure around 3 items: Britain's cities, traditional China stores, and student life. In the poster drawing, I drew on the characteristics of paper cutting art to create a unique styles. I also animation some of the poster combine traditional and modernity in line with the branding's philosophy. Below are some of the animation parts. Afterward, I designed some product displays for the branding. This is a business card design and some poster design. Yeah. This is my project of the paper cutting animation studio branding design. Thank you for watching, and I hope to recover your Facebook and evolution. Bye. Thank you.